बढ़िया काम हो गया अपना है जी। बहुत बढ़िया। आहो, हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत मधुर आवाज है हमारी। बहुत बढ़िया। तो देखो, हमको देखना सबसे पहले अगर हमको कुछ पूछना है तो हम पूछते हैं कि यू नो स्कैन टू tables, uh, Excel tables, I guess. Uh, Python, better say deep learning because I think कि Python, I think इसकी approach should be more like Python approach or like a deep learning approach because I think कि यार एक पेपर तो अगर हमारे पास टेबल्स है तो हमें इंस्टेड ऑफ एक मॉडल को सिखाने के लिए कि यहाँ पेपर में यहाँ पे लोकेशन पे ये चीज तुमको एक्सट्रैक्ट करनी है आई थिंक वी हैव टू एक्सपेक्ट एन एल्गोरिदम which firstly कैन फाइंड आउट वेयर द टेबल इज और फिर उस टेबल के अंदर जो डेटा है उसमें बाउंड्रीज बना के वो फटाफट निकाल सके समथिंग लाइक दैट a table detection, cell recognition, and text extraction. Okay, this is looking promising. For end-to-end table detection, this is also looking promising. Table extraction OCR looking promising. So let's read it right. First, quickly extract from text PDF to Excel with Python. देखना पड़ेगा पहले एक एक करके ये पढ़ते हैं भैया क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे हम्म ओके how to turn screenshots of a table to editable data using OpenCV and PyTesseract. Oh, so yeah, PyTesseract and OpenCV basically ये दो ऐसी libraries हैं जो अभी already established हो चुकी है बहुत ज़्यादा. So I think this is like hard coding approach जो कि हम इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं इस वक्त. Let's read about it first, and if we find this interesting, we'll get ahead with this one. अदरवाइज हम लोग कुछ नया टेक्निक खुद के लिए डिवाइस करेंगे. Let's say you have a table in an article, PDF, or image, and you want to transfer it to Excel sheet or data frame to have the possibility to edit it. Okay. In the field of pre-processing for machine learning, this algorithm will be exceptionally helpful to convert many things and tables to editable data. Okay, in the case that your data exists in text PDFs, there is already a handful of free solutions. The most popular ones are Tabular, Camelot, Excalibur, which you can further read. Oh wow! तो Tabular technology करके कुछ है यहाँ पे एक बार देखते हैं जरा. क्या बोल रहा है? Is it like a software or this is like oh so this is already like built. Okay. Uh, If you have ever tried anything with provided with in PDFs, you know how painful it is. There are no copy paste those PDF files. I've done that. Tabula allows you to extract that data into CSV or Microsoft Excel spreadsheet using simple, easy to use interface. Tabula works on Mac, blah 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 blah. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. So how have you done it? Like, is it something like fork it on GitHub? अगर ऐसा कुछ कर सके तो बहुत बढ़िया रहेगा भैया. लाओ इधर आओ. गिटहब बिल्ड वेब ऐप गिटिग्नो सबसे पहले दिखाओ हमको ये पढ़ाओ. This Tabula has always been voluntarily run project. At the moment, none of the original authors have time to work on it. Uh, okay, so this is actually working project by Tabula. The caveat here is that Tabula only works on text PDFs, not scanned documents. Oh my God, this is a red flag, green, बहुत बड़ा red flag. If you can click and drag to select text in your PDF viewer, oh, so this does not work on scanned document and only on PDFs. Interesting. And how is it made? Is it Java, Python, or what? So this is JavaScript, Ruby, Docker file, HTML, CSS, SCSS. Okay, cool. आई होप इसका कुछ रिजल्ट्स वगैरह दिखाना तो चाहिए था यार तेरे को। नथिंग एज सच। एंड दिस इज बहुत पुराना है भाई, ये गेट इग्नोर इसका 9 years अगो बनाया था। बस रे बस 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 बेटा बस। लेटेस्ट कंट्रीब्यूशन नथिंग। एनीवेज, तो इसको बंद करते हैं फिलहाल के लिए, हमको आगे पढ़ते हैं। However, if your PDF is image based and you find an article with table online, why not just take a screenshot, convert it in Excel? Since there seems to be no free or open source software for image based data, the idea came up to develop a generic solution to convert tables into editable Excel files. Yes, but that's enough for now. Let's see how it works. So, let's skim through it. Consists of three parts. First is table detection, exactly which I wanted. Cell recognition with OpenCV. The second option, thorough allocation of cells to proper row and column. And the third is extraction of each allocated cell through optical character recognition with PyTesseract. Okay, so PyTesseract is the framework which everybody uses these days for extracting something from OCR based themes. But what I really believe is there are algorithms which are more advanced, more exact and accurate. And I think, wow, why not? Let's go with that also. But let's see क्या क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग. Okay, I think ये थोड़ा पुराना पेपर है, so let me check the date. यप, ये 2020 का पेपर है, तो 3 साल हो चुके हैं भाई मेरे. आजा. Um, okay. First, we need input data, which is the screenshot. Second is we are doing they are changing this file, making something changing in the symbols. Oh, so it converted it to a black and white stuff. Oh, binary inverted image, right? Which is actually cool. Binary inverted image. The next step is to define a kernel to detect rectangular boxes and follow the tabular structure. First, to define the length of the kernel and then following the vertical and horizontal kernel to detect later on all the vertical and horizontal lines. Actually, by Mere, you are doing such stuff, okay, defining vertical kernel, detecting all vertical lines, defining horizontal to detect all the horizontal lines, then a kernel of 2 by 2. Okay, क्या करें लेकिन इसका भाई. ओके, तो हॉरिजॉन्टल और ऐसी लाइंस तुम डिटेक्ट कर रहे हो. Hmm. By weighing both with zero point 0.5, the aim is to get a clear tabular structure to detect each cell. Okay, interesting. So that's how you detect a tabular structure. After having tabular structure, we use to find the contour functions to detect contours. Okay. Really exact coordinates of each box. Hmm. Detect contours for the following box detections. ठीक है, इसे बॉक्स डिटेक्ट कर रहे हैं लोग. And how to retrieve cell possessions. हमने यहाँ पे लिखा उन्होंने create list of to solve the box size. Okay, cool. Cost allocation sheet, customer tech alive. Uh-huh. Now we have every cell in its location height width. We need to get right location within the table. Therefore, we need to know in which row and which column it is located, as long as the box does not differ more than its own. The box is in the same row. As soon as the height difference is higher than the current, we know that the new row starts, right? Actually, yes. Columns are logically arranged from left to right, correct? There are two list defined rows in which cell is located, right, correct. Retrieving the center of each column. Let's extract the values. Last step is conversion of this to data frame, storing it into an Excel file. So this is a data frame, storing it into an Excel file. Cool, this is so good. And that's it. The table should be now stored in a data frame or in an Excel file. You can use for natural language processing, for other further analysis. This is just everything, right? Um, this works for tables with a clear and simple structure. In case your table has an extraordinary structure in the sense that many cells are combined, that the cell sizes vary strongly, or that many colors are used, the algorithm may have to be stopped. May have to be adopted. Furthermore, OCR is nearly perfect in recognizing computer fonts. However, if you have tables containing handwritten inputs, the result may vary. This is some good stuff. How to fix broken lines in table recognition. यार इसने जो कोड लिखा है ना मेरे को ना एक बार बस सिंपली ट्राई करने की इच्छा है एंड आई वांट टू सी कि भाई साहब हो क्या क्या रहा है यहाँ पर राइट लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट before trying यार let's read through other approaches also because it's not right to just jump in ठीक है ओके चलेगा डीप लर्निंग मॉडल फॉर एंड टू एंड टेबल डिटेक्शन टेबल एक्सट्रैक्शन फ्रॉम स्कैन डॉक्यूमेंट इमेजेस सो मैंने जब रिसर्च करी थी इससे पहले तो यहाँ पे मेरे को पता चला कि टैबनेट करके कुछ होता है सो व्हाट आई रियली बिलीव इन इज कि तुम्हें डायरेक्टली अगर कुछ बनाना है तो यू डू नॉट हैव टू री इन्वेंट द व्हील all you have to do is to search for something which is already built, take it up and just customize it according to your needs. अगर किसी को कार बनानी है तो he doesn't go through like पूरी की पूरी प्रोसेस की भैया इंजन कैसे बनाती है he just takes the parts and make it right ऐसा नहीं है कि वो खुद ही बनाने बैठे हैं right तो या फिर अगर किसी को कुछ भी करना है एनीवेज बहुत लंबा एग्जांपल हो जाएगा तो that's what I really aim for right now well let's do it then तो पहले देखते हैं कि टैबनेट वगैरह इसमें भी कुछ इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है पढ़ते हैं लेट्स हैव डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस एंड देन कंबाइन एवरीथिंग टुगेदर टू हैव अ बेटर you know a better looking one which suits our needs correct correct तो देखो टेबल नेट मॉडलिंग ये रहा टैबनेट दिस इज व्हाट टैबनेट okay so business problem mapping to DL problem understanding the data existing approaches blah 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 cool. Widespread mobile phone scanners photographing images. Electronics taking information in an unstructured documenting image, such as retail receipts, insurance claims, forms, financial invoices is becoming more necessary. Extracting data from tabular images present a unique set of challenges. This includes accurate detection of the tabular region while within an image and subsequently detecting and extracting information from the rows and columns of the detected table. Interesting. यार एक और आइडिया है मेरे पास वाह लेट मी राइट इट डाउन सो एक पेज बना रखा है मैंने अपनी कॉपी में विच इज माय आइडियाज पेज व्हिच आई कैन फर्दर गो एंड रेफर कूल 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 इधर आ जा भाई मेरे ओके you can also do this. Well, when I work, I get a lot of ideas. I want to execute on those ideas. Like मेरी फटी पड़ी है. So, but yeah, I'll try to do this one also. अगर मेरा project successful होता है तो. Mm-hmm. So scan to Excel, right? Let's have a kick-ass product and let's make it better. Okay, cool. चल आ जाओ. With widespread use of mobile phones, scanners, photographic documents, the need of extracting tabular information in an unstructured document, such as detailed receipts, wow, accurate detection of tabular regions within an image, and subsequently detecting, extracting information from the rows and columns of the detected table. And this is a business problem. TableNet, a novel end-to-end deployment for both detection and structure region recognition. The model task is to detect tables, recognize table structure, then segment out the table and the column regions. Wow. Okay, mapping to a deep learning problem. Given a scanned document image, segmentation of table and its columns need to be done, right? Once the region is identified, the information has to be extracted from the table using various extraction tools. Cool. Accuracy is considered to check the performance of the model of how effectively it segments the table and the columns. Understanding the data, we will be using Marmot dataset for tabular. Oh, this is like very famous dataset for tabular information. And this is nice. So did I just downloaded it? ओ भाई ओ पॉज हो जा भाई मेरे अभी मेरे को जरूरत नहीं अभी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ ठीक है I don't want to rebuild everything. Just want to see as to how do I do it and how existing people are doing it. Okay. The dataset contains of 400 scanned images of tabular information and their respective table annotations in terms of XML files. Existing approaches, deep DESRT is a structure recognition of tables, deep learning for detection and structure recognition of table and documented images by Sebastian Schreiber and others. This PDF I have to see this one. Interesting. कब का पेपर है कहीं ईयर लिखा है क्या इसमें नीचे लिखा रहता है बेसिकली जनरली इट्स रिटन SRT precision accuracy on this call this is all nice very nice 2006 is there some like new papers in there 2015 15 29 10 15 16 I think it's fairly new. Yes, it is fairly new. Like 2017, 2018 के आसपास का पेपर है ये. I think so. I don't know exactly. होना चाहिए यार यहाँ पे कहीं पे लिखा होना चाहिए डेट शीट कहीं लिखा नहीं चल कोई बात नहीं बढ़िया पेपर होगा भाई पढ़ते हैं इसको गजब चल एग्जिस्टिंग अप्रोचेस में आता है डीप डी एस आर टी बढ़िया चीज है ना then is a neural network framework that is used to detect and understand tables proposed as fast as CNN. Oh, as a basic framework for detecting the tables. The architecture is broken down into tables. First part, the generated region proposals based on the input image, so-called region proposal network. In the second part, they classified the regions using fast RCNN to back this architecture. They use ZFNet and the weights of each 60. My first cut approach, I looked at the dataset consisting of PDF documents. I came across this Marmot dataset which I used for the table net research paper. Uh, yeah, Tabnet was using Marmot. Yeah, so probably I was also I am aware of that. Pre-processing. I resize the images, pre-process the data, convert tables into columns and segments. Blah, 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 blah. These image segments are fed into deep learning model as input. The model learns parameters and uses it to identify table and column mask from an image. Mhm. These marks are used to filter out the table and its column regions from the image now using the tesseract OCR. Oh yeah, ये भी tesseract use करो. The information is extracted from the segmental regions. Information is then stored in the CSV format. Oh, okay. Formato. It's not Zomato, it's Zomato. Anyways, whatever. Anyways, the environment data consists of scanned images and their respective XML files consisting of annotations. I made an XML parser to identify the table and the column annotations and store them in a data. Hmm. मतलब तो results दिखा हुआ है result now with the help of these annotation created table and column mask for the respective images. Interesting. Hmm. Tabnet की modeling कैसे है? The model takes in single input image, produces two different semantically labeled image output images for tables and columns. तो दो outputs आते हैं, एक table आता है, एक column आता है. Cool. The proposed model uses pre-trained VGG19 layer as the base network. यार VGG से भी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें आ चुकी है अभी, right? One decoder is for segmentation of the table region, another is for the segmentation of the column segment. Table. The model shares the encoding layer of VGG19 for both the table and columns to take. While the decoders for the two tasks are separate, the shared common layers are repeatedly trained from gradients received from both the table and column. While the decoders are trained independently, the shared common layers are repeatedly trained from the gradients received from both the tables. Repeatedly trained from creating both tables and the finding of the are trained independently. Hmm. Hey, encoder or decoder, is it like a unit or something? Not to use transfer learning when developing. This is still using convex. Cool. Mm-hmm. Input आया. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hey, is he using? Yes, this is PyTorch. I guess so. Yes. Decoder column expansion. 2D fine. They are training the model. Like model train करना वगैरह सब कुछ नहीं है. We train the model using the data we prepared. Okay. ये नहीं रे टेंसर फ्लो देखना डायरेक्टली. मैं वही सोच रहा था कुछ तो गड़बड़ है यहाँ पे. But it doesn't matter. All I need is how do I extract data? The following are contours of the table extracts information with the help of OCR Python, right? Trying to preserve the same format, clearing detectable lines are necessary for proper identification. The tables with the broken line gaps in the holes lead to a worse identification of the cells. Only partially surrounded by lines are not detected. Interesting. ओके तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही हैं. चल रही है, चल रही है तो चलने दो भैया. Okay, nice. This is how the contours are detected. These are the structural network and also the CSV file. Mhm. Like no matter how many contours you detect, what I really want is देखिए यहाँ पे देखिए इसने कितनी सारी चीजें छोड़ दी है. How do I find out like this is the original image, right? और इसमें the table extracted. देख कितनी चीजें गड़बड़ कर दी इसने. तो मतलब ये गड़बड़ी था टेबल में डिप्लॉयमेंट इसने वीडियो भी डाल रखी है यहाँ पे बंदे ने. लेट्स चेक दैट आउट. इसका वीडियो क्वालिटी सही नहीं है. 720 pixels please. Yes. And can you like make it 2 times faster? So more than 2 times faster I want it. Mhm. Okay, please choose an image. You choose the image, you submit a file, and okay, plt.show ऐसे deployed version में भी चलता है क्या? This is now interesting. This is getting interesting by the way. Oh, oh, ये देख कुछ आया होगा. ये उसने टेबल डिटेक्ट कर लिया. अभी ओके, चूज चूज फाइल, सबमिट. CSV file created होगा. And this is the file test which was created. Cool. दिखा भाई, खोल जरा, खोल खोल खोल. हम्म. ये राम, पूरा बकवास कर रखा है. पूरा बकवास. Table detection on invoices. Bhavesh but already made it. Wow. Cascade tabnet. Interesting. Interesting. Cascade tabnet. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Oh, cool. Is that able? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And cool. Mm-hmm. So basically, it's putting a bounding box around the stuff, and I'm really confused. Uh-huh. क्या करूँगा? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. एक्सट्रैक्ट कर भाई, ये सब ज्ञान मत दे मेरे को अभी. इंटरेस्टिंग. सो यार, मैंने इतना समझाया पूरा यहाँ पे इस वक्त कि यार सही है. Like there has been already some amazing stuff done, but all I gotta do now is um okay, watch out for what else I can do and how I can contribute to it, right? Because for now, what I think is कि जो बंदे ने वो वीडियो बनाया है उसके अंदर ही कुछ कुछ चीजें खामियां हैं एंड मेरे को उन खामियों का अगर व्यू करना है तो आई नीड more accurate models, right? And mucho better models. Okay, let's do a water break and I'll come back in a minute. Okay, I am back. Oh, ज़्यादा आवाज तो नहीं हो रही. Hello, 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 hello. Yes, okay, cool. Sorry for the delays, guys. तो हुआ ये था कि हमको कुछ अच्छी से करनी थी एंड सब चीज़ हमको नहीं दिखाना. Okay, cool. Hmm, skip the introductions. Just let me know how you have nanoNets. इसने खुद का कुछ बना रखा है क्या प्रोडक्ट? Hmm. Hi. Uh, Collect consumers to extract feedback about the service provided in the industrial sector. They use tables to jot down daily checklists, name how the production lines are working. All these can be documented as a single place using table extraction. But a huge, huge drawback to this thing will be that uh, ये सब चीजें क्योंकि मैन्युअली रिटर्न होती है राइट सो दिस इज लाइक हैंड राइटिंग एंड हैंड राइटिंग का ट्रैक करना बहुत मुश्किल है बिकॉज देयर इज स्टिल like there are models which can detect handwriting too, but yeah, I don't know what's the accuracy of it. But yeah, अच्छा ये भी इंडस्ट्री अच्छा है ट्रैक ऑफ एसेट्स वगैरह वगैरह. हाँ हाँ. Invoice automation, form automation. Uh, uh-huh. Reducing the need for manual data entry and follow-up emails, table extraction can eliminate the cost of printing, mailing, storing, organizing, and destroying the traditional feature alternatives. Hmm. OCR models for free. Wow. Extract table from images with nanonets table OCR. दिखा जरा चेक करा देना. टेबल डिटेक्शन में प्रॉब्लम होती है रोबस्ट मॉडल अवेयर होती है. यार मेरे को एक चीज समझ नहीं आती these all companies छोटू छोटू I know not like छोटू छोटू नहीं बोल सकता I don't know which type of company this is based in USA. Okay, cool. भैया ज्यादा नहीं बोलना शुरू कर देंगे. Okay. Invoice OCR, receipt OCR. They have their products right now. OCR, passport OCR. Cool. Oh, even I have heard of it. कि बस passport दिखाओ and it extracts everything out. And which is nice because I have. Okay, this is cool, bro. They are like products company. And is there a pricing or something in the other है OCR, API वगैरह? Oh, interesting. Driver's license OCR, passport OCR, table extraction OCR. You can check करो एक बार. So you have something like this, right? And you just say it's something like this. Table OCR. इंटीग्रेट API की मिल जाएगा. पाइथन से करना है किसी से भी करना कर सकते हो. Nanonets. Why choose nanonets table OCR? Capture data from the source, extract with superior accuracy, connected tools already you enhance productivity. That's cool, bro. They are doing some good stuff. Over 2000 plus startups already doing with nanotech. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. You have so many things here. Nice. It is nice. When I go to careers, pricing pricing है क्या कुछ? Is there? Oh, so for starter, is it is pay as you go. First 5 pages, 500 pages, and then $0.3 per page. You have $500 per month model. Then you have enterprise models. Oh, okay. This is nice. Good stuff. Okay. Mhm. They are working with all Deloitte, wow, PNG, cool, Toyota. अच्छे अच्छे यार इनके partners. Mhm. Nice. These are all like big brands they are talking with. This is cool. Is there like open positions, please? तो कुछ है क्या like if they have something मैं डाल दूंगा अंदर अपने to make machine learning as utility technology services. DB companies about because of what actors or companies will be empowered through us. Wow. Senior deep learning engineer, remote only, on-site or remote, 40 lakh से crore, chief of staff, founders office, founder, management, marketing, product manager, they're looking for remote in India में देख रहे हैं लोग, senior business analyst, wow, this is cool, this is good stuff. Are they having any interns or something? Mhm. Mm, Senior deep learning engineer. I have strong machine learning concepts, strong commands in low-level operations involving architectures like Transformer, FNet, faster RCN, and I've worked with all of these experience on these. Okay. What if I say apply now? Auto फिर मेरा काम करेगा क्या यहाँ पे? Yes, yes. Set a password. Yay. Upload CV. Your hiring contact is Nitisha Kundu. Good fit. No minutes. They're just having like why? Only the US or remote India. Why is it like that? I'm working to working remotely, right? Anyways, this is like complicated stuff. I don't wanna go into it. Passport OCR at school, driver's license OCR at school. Can I also extract images? Interesting. तो बढ़िया है इतना काम मेरे को अच्छा लगा नीचे इसका वीडियो दे देना मेरे को लिंक टू कैस्केड टैबनेट टैबनेट थैंक यू देवशीष प्रसाद what is he referring to that approach end to end money says UPR link of paper आ रहा है link of paper what have they built let me read it cascade approach 10 to end table deep so 2020 का paper I think I might have this opened up somewhere right I might have this opened up somewhere have I this is TableNet right I was using TableNet this is Vishwanath Manika Rahul Rakesh TCS this is January 2020 का post this is May 2020 का post okay cool Mhm. Mhm. Cool. Yeah, this is some good stuff, right? Table detection with classification. Cool. This is cascade tab. यार मेरे को इसकी लिमिटेशंस वगैरह थोड़ा देखने का है, क्या है इसकी लिमिटेशन, क्या होगी इसका। अयान गटपाल, project team for creating amazing things, push the state-of-the-art computer vision research, and which enables us to experiment and build state-of-the-art models very easily. Our college Pune Institute of Computer Technology for funding research, giving us a facility, Kaizen for national paper, and archive for push blueprint of the paper, and also team, Google Shuffle, API Analytics, overview.com, blah 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 blah. Uh, मजा नहीं आएगा यार ऐसे तो, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दीज गाइस, ये सब जो कर रही, आई डेंट लाइक दिस वन, ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस इज मियरली, हाउ डू यू से, दिस इज मियरली सिंपल साधा सा, टेबल डिटेक्शन एंड देन एक्सट्रैक्टिंग समथिंग, मजा नहीं आएगा भाई ऐसे। द एक्चुअल स्टफ इज टेबल की बाउंड्रीज, एक्चुअल में बाउंड्रीज, जैसे दिस वन इज गुड, दिस इज एटलीस्ट इट स्टैंड्स आउट, at least it stands out, and it has concrete stuff in it. Because OCR, you can use OCR anywhere. मैं चाहूँ मैं पूरा का पूरा extract कर सकता हूँ, but OCR in a cell, and then placing it in a cell is what I'm very fascinated with, and I wanna check that out. But how do I do that? That's complicated, right? At the same time, it's complicated too. Okay, but what do I do now? Hmm. I think I should be searching for a few more stuff, right? Why not ask ChatGPT? Huh? Let's take 1 minute of break and I'll be back. I am back. So, oh, it's been 1 hour जब से मैं stream कर रहा हूँ and I think my laptop is already 40%. And so मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाऊंगा. It's just 10 minutes more. Um, let's see. क्या कर सकते हैं? I wanna see Tabnet, GitHub. I really wanna just dive into it. Tabnet, GitHub, Tabnet alternative, interpretable tabular learning, attentive tabular learning, PyTorch Tabnet, associated with Tablet. Set. Okay. Okay, tab network. एक बार ये देख. I need PyTorch though, which is better. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. खुल जा. PyTorch implement tabnet of this attentive, interpretable, tabular learning. Over time to improve the library from digital paper. Interesting. मुझे इसका action देखना है. Tabnet classifier. I don't know. Tabnet classifier something like that. I wanna do semi-supervised pre-training level. Give me concrete results. This is टैबनेट यार. अच्छा टैबनेट इज फॉर. ओके मैं गलत जगह पे आ गया. सॉरी. टैबनेट attentive tabular learning. अरे नहीं, it was not टैबनेट, it was tablenet. Yes, this was the one. Tablenet PyTorch. This is the one. Yes. Training images deployment. Yes, this is the one. This is the one. मॉडल आ गया यहाँ पे. हाँ हाँ हाँ. ये रहा देख. So this is what I wanted. Right. Right. Original mask, this is table mask, this is column mask. After fixing table mask using contours, you can have these. You can sim through pie dresser rack, get reductions, this image, ground image, candles. This is how you do it. Deployed application. Mm-hmm. Vimeo open होने डाल रखा है इसका. You can please show me how are you using? इसका बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है. चल खुल गया बोलो क्या करा तुमने. हाँ यहाँ पे चल रहा है स्ट्रीमलेट वन ऐप. Also this is a streamlet application. Loading checkpoint, drag and drop image, and then Filmora. ये उठाया उठा के डाला. हाँ something processing. Okay, ये बनाया. And then you have the table. This is nice stuff. This is a table उठाई. Mm, good stuff. Good stuff. But these are tab separated, right? Isn't it? It's like tab separated, or space separated peoples, right? Okay. But I do have a question though. यहाँ पे लिखा है less और something. ये देखिए. This is multi-index pivoted tables, I guess. And for that reason, जब यहाँ पे less 19 LF वो ये less नहीं लिखा था ऐसे LFHS लिखा हुआ है something. तो उसने उसको गलत रीड कर लिया. एक्यूरेट तो नहीं है बट यार गलत भी नहीं है. 75 979 da 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 da. एंड ऑल्सो यहाँ पे देखो और रूरल अर्बन टोटल लिखा हुआ है. नहीं जमा. मेल रूरल अर्बन बिकॉज दिस इज लाइक मल्टी इंडेक्स है ना यार भाई. तो टाइम लगेगा. रूरल है अर्बन है रूरल है अर्बन है. एंड क्लीनिंग में बहुत टाइम लगेगा। ऐसी चीज़ों की क्लीनिंग बहुत मुश्किल होती है फिर, एंड विच इज लाइक डैम डिफिकल्ट। तो well, let's see then. Okay, it is nice. Okay, cool. Okay. ओए मैंने टैब ही बंद कर दिया। क्या पास। So this is stable in a tight thoughts. ओके, तो मैं एक जो है इसे यूज करने वाला हूँ, तो आई स्टार इट। एंड एक मैं इसे यूज करूंगा बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी 279 स्टार्स है, तो आई थिंक दिस इज द ओरिजिनल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन। Detection table and tabular data extraction from scanned images. Is this the paper? I have to check it. I think this was the one. Is it? Is it not? Yes, this is the one. Same images, right? तो नैनो नेट्स इज द वन जिसने ये चीज बनाई है, ऐसा या फिर उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया हो, ऐसा कुछ है क्या? नहीं नहीं, इसका सोर्स इज नैनो नेट्स। देयर हैज टू बी समथिंग एल्स। ओके, फॉर एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट ऑन हाई पिक्सल इमेजेस। um देख ब्रो, मेरे पास ना ये सब चीजें तो है नहीं, तो इस चीज के लिए यार मेरे को इच्छा तो हो रही है और भी आगे करने की। एंड इट्स ओनली 12:50 राइट नाउ, तो बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं हम आगे आ रही। मेरा बैटरी भी आधा घंटा चलेगा, आराम से चलेगा। How much time I was playing before? I think next 20 minutes I should do it more. So I'm gonna fork it up right now, right? I'm gonna make a table net. Uh, table net. How do I make it? Um, a table net should be okay for me, right? And since this okay, this is unofficial implementation, so create a fork. Set up GitHub Copilot, and yes, it is in now. Okay, cool. अब मेनू आना है कोड स्पेसेस पे, एंड कोड स्पेसेस पे आकर के I'm gonna make a new code space and select a repository. The repository name is table net. Yes. Branch is master. Region ये machine कौन सी चाहिए देखो? I need better machine, 4 core, 8 GB RAM. Yes. Space. Free version के हिसाब से this is fairly nice. And how is it telling to use it? मेरे को usage भी देखना है ना इसका। आर्किटेक्चर यहाँ पे ये है। Download the MAMR dataset from the given link in the README. Data preprocess generate mask. Follow for to train and test the model. Mm-hmm. Um, okay. I think I missed a few things. Some of them would be regret. Take Peter. Um, okay, fine. Let's see. So बस मेरा टेबल नेम डॉट आईपाइथन भी खोल लो. हाँ. छः. टेबल नेम डॉट आईपाइथन भी खोलो. दिस इज लेटेंटिफाई. टेंसर फ्लो में क्यों बनाते हो यार सारी चीजें. लॉसेस क्रिएट मास्क. Guys, I think I gotta go. Well, thank you for connecting on the stream, and I shall be seeing you guys in a few minutes. Okay.